Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Happy Thursday, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Brandon Libby. We've been dealing with a little bit of fog and some light rain this morning. Dense fog advisory in our eastern counties until 9 a.m. Fog issues should improve gradually this morning. And with that light rain that we've been seeing, I think we're going to catch a break from that just a little bit through the middle of the day. By the early to, we'll say mid-afternoon, about 2 or 3 o'clock, some more scattered activity is expected to pop back up. And with these, could be just a little bit stronger, maybe some pockets of moderate rain. And in a worst case scenario, some lightning and thunder, very isolated. No severe chance with that. And it would be in a very short window there through the mid-afternoon because you can see things winding down pretty quickly as we go into tonight. A cloud cover, though, is going to stick around through the overnight hours, and it looks like a chance for it actually to be fairly stubborn for the day tomorrow. On a worst-case scenario there, we'd end up with an overcast sky up until maybe the mid to late afternoon. On the optimistic side, you'd have the cloud cover breaking apart here in the late morning. We'll still call it a mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow, but at this point I would lean more towards the cloudy side. And we should be dry nonetheless, whether or not we see the clouds sticking around or not. And then that being said, as we go into the weekend, especially Saturday, that should be a partly cloudy day and dry. As far as the rainfall goes, especially for what we see today, it's going to be 1/10 of an inch or less for most, so still not very significant rainfall. But if you can get 1 or 2 of those thunderstorms, maybe some isolated pockets up to 1/4 inch of rain. Beyond that, we have temperatures in a tight range, again, I should say a wide range, like what we had yesterday. Anywhere from the low 50s there in the northeast to about the low 60s further off to the south and west. And we will be battling this fairly breezy northwest wind with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Into tonight, as the rain comes to an end, lows fall to the mid and upper 30s. And then tomorrow, again, it's going to be a battle of the sunshine and the cloud cover. But highs should be in a tighter range there in the mid to upper 50s, which is pretty seasonal for this time of the year. And we'll have a lighter wind tomorrow, too. Here's your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. Saturday, we're back into the mid and upper 60s as the winds start to kick back in from the south. And that's probably looking like your really nice day to be outside. Sunday is not bad either, although there is now a chance for some isolated rain and more clouds than anything. I don't think it'll ruin any plans, though. Temperatures are still in the 70s, and we have that wind staying fairly gusty from the south. We're going to have a cold front coming by, and then some very strong winds for Monday into Tuesday. Those winds from the northwest, so temperatures cool down. But a lot of next week looks dry, and temperatures recover back to near 70 on Thursday with a chance for some storms.